Hey, what's up? It's Matt with TAV. I'm out here just doing a quick gear call out on one of the bumpers that we love. This is the hybrid bumper from C4 Fabrication. You know, the hybrid saves a little bit of weight with having the cutouts here instead of having the plates. You'll often see their Overland series bumper on a lot of our rigs. That's a great option to run as well. But this is the side of this, so they built it to fit with the Baja Designs lights. You can fit, you know, a decent amount in there. So I have a fog, SAE, the XL Sport, and then the Squadron S2 Sport, and that's in the driving combo. So decent amount of light right there. I've been on dark highways at night and never had any issues being able to see elk, deer, anything on the side of the road. They have the brackets that help secure it to the frame, so you know you're not going to wiggle it off or anything like that. Again, another decent attachment point here, and then you can run the winch in there. That is the ComeUp 12.5 Slim, and I've got the Dr. 55 Ultra Hook sitting there. You could run a light bar inside there. Prefer not to, just because with the lights on the sides there's plenty of light, and this way I can see the winch, spool, unspool, see if there's any issues with it like that. Just so you know, the control box is right in there. You can kind of see it right there. So all I have to do is pop the hood, reach in there, plug it in if I need to. But there it is. Pretty quick and simple. C4 just does a fantastic job, so this is a great option to think about for your build.